Good morning, student. Once again, you are welcome in Secretariat School online class. Student, today we shall study about our first chapter in Snapshot, the summer of the beautiful White House, written by William Savoy. Student, we will know in this story about the two Armenian poor children, how they enjoyed in the house in summer time. We will know in this story. We will know about the summary through some important points, and first point is Aram. Aram, the narrator of the story. Early in the morning means Aram was sleeping, and early in the morning, it was time of 4 a.m. Murad, his cousin, came and began to tap his window, and Aram came out of the window. And he was surprised to see the White Horse on which Murad was sitting. Actually, he was surprised because of some reasons. First reason is he had great longing for riding the horse, and it was very good thing for him. And second reason, he was surprised that he and Murad belong to poor Gregorian family, and Gregorian family so poor, anyhow they are able to manage their 2 times food. So in this way they cannot purchase the house. And third reason, well known for honesty, and Gregorian family are well known for their honesty since 11th century. In this way, we can say, Aram said that Murad cannot steal the horse. Yet he asked Murad, "Have you stolen the horse?" Murad said, "If you want to ride the horse, you come soon." And Aram at once understood that Murad had stolen this horse because he did not reply. But Aram had great longing for riding the horse. He was ready to go. And second point, stealing is not for riding. According to Aram, stealing is not for riding. If Murad has stolen this horse only for riding, not making money, so I think it is not stealing. It is not stealing for riding. And Murad accented for family. Murad was different character. Murad was a different boy in Gregorian family. He was well known for his eccentricness according to his family. But Aram thought something other about Murad. Murad was very pleasant boy. Murad was very different boy, and he does always something different work, and that is very enthusiastic and very energetic. And he had a good handling power of animals and human beings. He had a good handling power. He can manage any types of animals. For the example, horse, he had not only stolen this horse, but also he made it for his riding. This is a very great thing. And one thing also, he had managed to handle the dog in the last of the story, you will know. And human being also, he had great knowledge how to handle anybody else. And single riding means, first of all, both of them riding together, and after that Murad said, "Put down of the horse, Aram, I will ride alone." And Aram said that you have to promise that you will give me the horse also to ride alone. Anyhow, Murad was ready to give him, and Murad alone rode the horse very nicely, and got enjoyed too much. And next time Aram began to ride the horse, but he was unable to control the horse, and he fell off the horse. He fell from the horse, and Murad nearest to him and said that I don't care about you. I want the horse, so at once go that side, and I will go another side. And half an hour they were able to get the horse once again, and they took the horse in hiding place in a granary, and next point we know Uncle Kusto. Uncle Kusto, another character in this story. He is very eccentric man with a long mustache and a big skull. He was a big man, but always irritating people, and he does not like anybody else in talking, and anything came before him, he always said this line, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. One example I will tell you that he was in the saloon and his son went to him and said, Father, the house got fire, and he said, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. Go and go. And the barber emphasized to Uncle Kusto, sir, your house got fire, and he irritated and said, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. At Aram's home, Uncle Kusto and John Barrow. At Aram's home, when Aram returned his home, he saw that Uncle Kusto was sipping coffee and tobacco, and John Barrow, another person, was also sitting there, and his mother offered him coffee, tobacco also. John Barrow was very sad because he was telling to Aram's mother that someone stole his horse. Last 1 month he had great trouble because he had only cart, and without the horse cart is nothing else. In this way, Uncle Kusto irritated and said, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. Came to know about reality of the horse. And in this way, at home, Aram knew that Murad had stolen this horse last 1 month, and he went to the Murad and told everything about John Barrow and said that, Murad, I have great longing, I want to ride the horse, you please keep this horse for 1 year. But Murad got angry, and anyhow he said that no, we will keep this horse 6 months only. And in this way they were coming on the path, and on the path John Barrow met with them. And John Barrow met with them, and Murad said to Aram, let me talk to the man, I will manage everything else. And John Barrow came, and John Barrow, surprised to see the horse, he was feeling that this is horse of faith, but he had no chance to say that Murad had stolen the horse because of honesty of his family. And in this way, he said that he counted the teeth of the horse, he checked the horse, and he said that if you have not the family members of the royal family, so I would definitely tell you that this is my horse. But anyhow, what is the name of this horse? Murad said that the horse name is My Heart. And John Barrow said, it may be twin of my horse. Okay, no problem. John Barrow went from there. And in this way, both of them are afraid of it, and they decided to return this horse, and next day they returned the horse. Next day they took the horse in the yard of John Barrow, and there he faced the dog. But anyhow, Murad managed with the dog, handled the dog. And in this way, John Barrow was very happy, and next day with his horse cart came to the Aram's house, and there he was very happy, and he was telling everything to his mother that he was able to get the horse, and the horse is very healthy and very well mannered, and the story ends. And I think students, you enjoyed this story very nicely. Thank you so much.